Tomato seeds and supplies are launched by SpaceX to the International Space Station. According to NASA, the Dragon cargo spacecraft is carrying more than 7,700 pounds of equipment, supplies, and research. SpaceX is currently sending a brand new shipment of supplies to the International Space Station after severe weather at the launch site caused the corporation to abandon its initial attempt. At about 2:20 p.m. ET, 12:50 a.m. IST, on Saturday, the mission blasted off from Florida's NASA Kennedy Space Center. According to SpaceX, Tuesday had been the scheduled launch day. According to NASA, the Dragon cargo spacecraft is carrying more than 7,700 pounds of equipment, supplies, and research. Along with Thanksgiving food for the astronauts aboard the space station, it is also delivering dwarf tomato seedlings, ice cream, and treats like candy corn and cranberry apple pies. The solar arrays will be deployed outside the floating laboratory during spacewalks planned for November 29 and December 3. They will boost the space station's power supply. The U.S. Space Agency reports that scientists have been testing a veggie plant growth unit on the station and have had success growing a variety of leafy greens there. The following phase of that endeavor, Veg-05, focuses on cultivating dwarf tomatoes. According to Joa Massa, NASA Life Sciences project scientist and principal investigator of the Veg-05 experiment, we are testing tomatoes, looking at the impacts of light spectrum on how well the crop grows, how delicious and nutritious the tomatoes are, and the microbial activity on the fruit and plants. Additionally, we are researching the general impact of cultivating, tending, and eating crops on the behavioral health of the crew. All of this will yield useful information for upcoming space exploration. According to NASA, tomatoes may be ingested fresh, are healthy, and are very popular. The miniature cherry tomato species utilized in the study, Red Robin, thrived in the field and generated a sizable harvest of fruit that was both wholesome and delicious. A moon microscope test kit, which will be utilized for in-flight medical diagnosis, is among the additional supplies. It comes with a compact self-contained blood sample staining apparatus and a portable handheld microscope, as well as the capacity to test water, food, and surfaces for contamination. The kit may provide diagnostic capabilities for crew members in orbit or on the surface of the Moon or Mars. According to NASA, Dragon will stay connected to the space station for nearly a month before returning to Earth with supplies and research.